Happy day, guys. This is Pungavidai Kalamegam from Inspiring Imprints. Today we are going to start with string problems. I've chosen something very simple to start with, but this was asked in an interview by Amazon. If you have not subscribed my channel, it's high time that you subscribe so that you can get all the coding solutions that I have done immediately. Okay, let's move on to the problem. Given a string, yes, consists of upper or lowercase alphabets and empty spaces for the characters. Okay, return the length of the last word in the string. If the last word does not exist, return 0. Note, a word is defined as a character sequence consists of non-space characters only. Okay, it's very simple. Immediately what you would do is you would think about couple of solutions. There are n number of solutions for this. Just split the string using split function, then get the last word's length, right? Otherwise what you would do is you would reverse the string using slicing and get the length of the first word. These are the two options that I have given. There are lots of options, but interestingly, Amazon gave a caution. This is it. Please make sure you try to solve this problem without using library functions. Make sure you only traverse the string once. So these are the two conditions that Amazon came up with. So if it is with library functions like this, we would have completed. These are the test cases. Okay, so if it is for the test case 1, Python is the last word, so 6 is the length, and hello world, 5 is the length. For the third test case, if you could see, there is no last word as such, so you will have to return 0. I have given spaces before and after and trying to understand if the solution is working for special cases also. Okay, so here I'll have to give the length as length of spacebar and here for 9 alone. Okay, let's quickly see the algorithm. So read the string, then from the string we are traversing from the back. We are traversing the string from the back. Check for a space from the last character so that we would land in the last word, right? If a space is found, then what we are doing is we are finding the position after the space, and this is the start of the last word, right? So from that position, calculate the length, okay, using I. So I starts from the last. So then print the length of the word and exit. So you're not supposed to parse till the first of the string. So these kind of logic you'll have to think through, because you should not be unnecessarily iterating when you don't need, or when you have found out the answer. You're not supposed to iterate till the end. Okay, so repeat the steps 3 and 4 until str is completely passed. Why this is given is if you're not exiting, so you will have to keep on finding the space. Okay, print 0 if no space was found. So this is for finding the length of the last word without using any library function. Please avoid this trip. Why? Because I've specifically given for special cases here. So I've used this function. If you have a solution for strip, I'll be very glad if you could send the snippet in the comments. So for I'm using a while loop till I return something. Okay, so this while is true. It is going to run till a return happens. So return happens in two ways. One way is if I found out a word, okay, last word, then I just print the length of that word and return. If not, okay, if I've not encountered a space, it keeps moving on. If I have encountered the last alphabet, which is here the first alphabet, then I'll land up in error, which will move on to the exception handling area, where I'll print the value as 0 because no last word is found. Okay, let's quickly see the program. So as I have explained the logic, I'm quickly moving on to visualize execution. So the input is already given here. So what I'm going to do is just execute the program. So next, so it takes hello my world, and what happens is it goes to the while loop. So it has checked L, R, O, W, and now it's going to the space. So space has been encountered. So it returns the length of the last word and ends. So here is our output 5. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this code to have a one word. Let's check the behavior of the program for a single word as input. So I'm going to pass through the program. Next, so it takes the word hello and it's moving ahead. It goes to the while loop and it checks whether there is a space till the end. Okay, so when the end is encountered, okay, what X error, string index out of range. So this is the error you get. And next we have a error handler. So this is handled in the right way and you get an output as 0. So here what I'm trying to say is we have not used any inbuilt functions, but still we are able to accomplish what is needed. So Amazon is trying to gauge whether you have a critical thinking quality by giving such problems. Remember, you might be getting problems in any ways. Okay, so this is a simple problem, but you'll have to give a different logic. All the very best, guys. Till I meet you in the next video on some other string problem. Bye for now. Do subscribe, watch our videos, get benefited.
Bye bye. See you.